Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a no makeup look only using 5 drugstore, are they drugstore? Yes, 5 drugstore products. So we are back at it again with the drugstore, with the affordable. So if y'all are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Okay guys, so this is gonna be like literally what it says, no makeup look, and this is no foundation. And granted, my skin has improved, so I still have dark spots and things like that, but I've been just feeling like this glow have been looking so good lately. So I just want to go ahead and show y'all the products that I'm using. So we gonna go ahead and start off with the brows, and this is literally the same laminated brow tutorial I've been showing y'all, but less harsh. So we're just gonna brush out the brows. And I'm gonna use my NYX, this is the micro brow pencil, holy grail, been using this for years. And I'm just gonna lightly like fill in the tail area of my brow, because I don't really have like a tail, so I have to fill it in. I'm doing this with a light hand so it doesn't look like super, you know, oh, she did her brows. And when you want it to look natural, try not to go past like your pupil and go in the inner space, because then it'll start looking like you like filled your brows in. At least for me, that's what I feel like it looks like I did my brows if I go further in. So from here, we're gonna go ahead and take our Got to Be Glued, and this is included as a product. So yes, we're taking the Got to Be Glued Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel, and this is literally a gel that you can get from your drugstore or from Walmart. And we're gonna go ahead and use the same, you can use this fully off of the micro brow pencil, and we're just gonna literally just pump up a little bit of product and get it on the brush. Not too much, but just get it on the brush, and then we're just gonna brush the hairs up and kind of coat the hairs with that gel. And if y'all want an in-depth tutorial on this, please click right up here and check out my laminated brows tutorial. But I'm gonna let that sit and go ahead and do the other one before we shape it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just shape up the edges of my brow. Like so, like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. If you ever need to clean up your brows, that you like usually clean it up with concealer, if you don't want to add any additional product, you can take a Q-tip, and all I'm going to do is like clean up around the top of the brows, and you can do the bottom as well if you accidentally got too much pencil or whatever above or beneath. So now the brows are done. They don't look like super, wow, my brows are done. They just look kind of natural. And then you can lay down those hairs if you want with your finger before that gel dries. And that's just gonna make the brow hairs look more prominent. So the next thing we're gonna do is the only thing that we're applying to the face, and we're taking the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I've been calling it the Glow Lotion, but it's their Lumi Glotion in the shade Deep Glow. And I'm just gonna take, literally, you can put it on your finger or on your face, just like a dot like this. And I'm gonna put that dot on each side, one little dot on each side around our highlight areas. So then I'm gonna blend this out with a finger. And I know the last time I did like how to cover acne without a lot of makeup video, y'all were talking about how like you shouldn't apply with your fingers. However, that's gonna give you the most natural look for you applying it with your fingers. So you can apply it with a sponge if you want, but for me, using my finger makes it look way more natural. So from there, you have a nice little glow, but it just looks like you're radiating, like you're radiant, you're glowing from within. That's all it looks like. And then you want to go in. So that was our third product. Our fourth product is just gonna be some mascara, and it's up to you how many coats you apply. I don't mind if people are like, oh, she got mascara on. Like, I really don't mind that, because I feel like lashes can pull together a look. But if you're going for the true, like, I don't have on makeup look, then you can just apply one coat and keep it moving so it doesn't like get clumpy or anything. And I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, but there are plenty other mascaras you can use from the drugstore to give you like that natural lash. Now here's where you can, you know, get fancy if you want to. If you have lash extensions or like individual lashes, you can do that. Or if you want to apply, you know, a natural strip lash, you can do that as well. It just depends on your definition of no makeup makeup. So now we're looking, you know, a little bit pieced together. And then last but not least is literally lip gloss, which again is optional. Right now I just have my lips moisturized, but I do have the Hard Candy Max Pout Plumping Serum, and I like this just because it plumps my lips without making them look like, they just look juicy. They don't look crazy or anything. And this is just a clear, this is in Max Pout. And I'm putting that on, like so, like that. And then literally, take your hair down. We need to fix these edges. So we fixed our little edges, fluff out our hair, and that is literally it. And it just looks like, you know, she looks polished. Okay, my lip gloss is popping a little bit, but I look polished. I look ready to go. Like, this is great for if you want to go to work, you know, whatever, just run it out, but you want to look a little bit more put together than when you first wake up. You can literally just do this and you look like you're radiant, you look like you're glowing. And I've been loving this lately since my skin has been clearing up. I've been enjoying it and just, you know, rocking it like this. Now, if you need a little extra, a little this, a little bit of that, and you want to apply some foundation or concealer, like say under the eyes. So right now, my under eye looks just a tinge dark, not super dark, but just a tinge dark. It could use a little bit of lightening. You can take like your favorite concealer that's closest to your skin tone. So for me, I just bought this Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Caramel. And I'm gonna try this out, but you could just take, if you have your LA Girl Pro Concealer, you literally can take just like a dot of that. And again, I'm gonna use my finger. kind of blend that out. And that's only if you need a little bit of brightening under the eye, you can do that. So just like that, it opens up the eyes a little bit, wakes it up, and then just as a precaution, so this little bit that we pat under here doesn't crease, you can take any setting powder. I'm just gonna take the e.l.f. matte setting powder. This is in the shade Tan, and you literally can just get like a little brush and just tap a little, sorry y'all can't see under my hair, just tap a little bit of that powder under the eye. And that's just gonna set the under eye so that those little drops of concealer you put down aren't gonna move. So now we look a little bit more awake, you know, a little bit more polished. Let's see if y'all can see up close. See? We look a little bit more awake, but we still look natural. Like, I woke up like this with a little lip gloss. That is what we're serving right now. And then I don't want to leave out my fellow people who have acne scarring and things like that. If you need to cover up, you just do the same thing that's in the initial video that I did. Take some more of that concealer and you can conceal like any dark marks you have on your face, and just do it light-handedly and blend it out with your finger. If you don't want to do your finger, use a damp sponge. So you could just like do that blending on those spots, and it'll overall give you like a even skin tone. Sometimes you can even use like a tinted powder and just press it in if you're trying to get that coverage. So if you have like a pressed foundation powder, face powder, you could try that. But literally this is all I did. I did not bronze, I did not do anything. I limited it to 5 products with the exception of the additional 2 if you want to do your under eye. If you want to or need to do your under eye, because I know a lot of people struggle with like dark circles and things like that, then just try you a concealer that matches your skin tone, and a little, you could try the e.l.f. setting powder, and literally you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you guys. Again, I love trying to come up with different routines and methods to utilize drugstore products so it can be affordable to you. Now I will say drugstore is getting pricey, and this Lumi Glotion was probably like, I think it was like almost $15. And $15?
You cannot be for real. Oh my God, you for real? No, you for fake. No, you for real.
It's pricey, but you get a beautiful glow, and I think you probably won't run out of this no time soon if you're doing this routine. You're literally using just a dot. Like literally this will last you well over 3 months, which is like $5 a month if you break it down. So that's really not that bad compared to you buying something high-end or whatever. I recommend getting this. And yeah, the NYX pencil runs you about 10, but it's actually, I got a dupe for this. This is not even the video. This is not even a video for this, but I recently found a dupe for this. And if y'all are interested, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here because we're not gonna have y'all wait. Look at this. I got it from Target. Micro brow pencil. It's shorter and I'm sure it has way less product in it. But this is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil. I could have used it in this video. I didn't think of it. I literally just bought it yesterday. This is my holy grail. That's why I mentioned it. But if you're looking for a cheaper alternative or you just want to test this out, I do recommend, well, how can I recommend it? I will suggest trying out the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil, because it looks the same size as the NYX one. The pigment is there, but it doesn't have a huge shade range. Like I only found like dark brown, and I wish they had black. But anyway, if you want to try this literally was $2.99 at Target, and Wet n Wild had buy one get one 50% off. So check that out. But yeah, that's all for this video. I know I rambled a little bit at the end, but I just wanted to share with y'all, you know, the insight on why we use what we used. If you don't want to use this to do the laminated brows thing, you could just, you know, use some. I would suggest using edge control, because you could just use edge control and lay your brows down, but sometimes that can leave your brows greasy. So if you can, just try out. They even have small little travel sizes of these at the hair store, so just check it out if you're interested. If not, you don't even have to do the gel. You could just do the pencil, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all watched thus far and you're not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the gym squad, and that basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. Y'all, this is so hard to say so fast, but while you're down there, go ahead and like this video and turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tiffle. Bye, guys. Need to clean it up with concealer. You can clean it. Why are there bugs in here? It's like an ant, and I just dropped it in here. It is summertime. The bugs are trying to get in. But anyway, now if you need I don't think. Okay, for me, just like a little brush. Oops. Blending. This is my holy grail. That's why